After having question tag in the absence of auxiliary verb in assertive sentence, let's study some special type of the sentence which question tag is affixed. Today we are going to learn about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, the type of the sentence which gives instruction, order, or sometimes request. You know the significance of imperative sentence, the type of the sentence that begins with first form of the main verb is called as imperative sentence. If you study some examples, that is, put the shoes, open the door, there are two types of the imperative. Some are affirmative imperative, some are negative imperative. Sometimes affirmative imperative would be there, those which begins with first form of the main verb. Just like come here, go there, follow my instruction. These all are positive commands. They are positive imperative. Sometimes there are negative imperative which begins with don't talk, don't open the door, don't go there. So these all are imperative sentence. Remember, whether it may be positive imperative or negative imperative, question tag is affixed, that is will you. Example is here, put this apple. Put this apple, the given sentence is written as it is and question tag is will you, lastly question mark. So remember, don't throw the ball. Will you? Don't come here. Will you? You can use won't you sometime. There's no problem. You can use will you or won't you. Whatever may be the sentence. The question tag of imperative sentence is will you or won't you. That is final. Now sometimes the sentence are there, let's type sentence. The type of sentence which begins with let's. Let's play on the ground. Let's go there. Let's invite them. So the question tag of such sentence is also fixed. Remember, question tag of imperative sentence become will you. Question tag of let's type sentence is shall we. Example, let's play cricket. Given sentence is written as it is and then the answer or question tag of the sentence would be shall we. Sometimes sentence would be let me play, shall I. Let me play, shall I. In this way, the sentence which begins with let us, that is let's call her, let's celebrate birthday, let's play there, all this sentence leads to a special kind of question tag, that is only shall we, and shall we. Now let's turn third type. Very confusion type is there, that is sometime have or has is used as a main verb in the sentence. There's no doubt when have has had accompanied with past participle, then obviously the type of the sentence or the type of the tense would be present perfect tense or past perfect tense. But have has had to perform the role of main verb. In that case, we have to use Sonali has a computer. Observe this sentence. has is there. Actually, as our traditional rule, if you made a hurry, then according to you, the answer of the question tag would be hasn't. See, you are wrong. Your answer would be hasn't see. You are wrong. Because here has acts as a main verb. That's why we need to use doesn't. Doesn't. Remember, when have, has, had presents as the main verb in the sentence. For have, use don't. For has, use doesn't. And for had, use didn't. That's why if Sonali has a computer, don't take hasn't. Why can't we take hasn't here? इथे आपण हॅझर्ड का घेऊ शकत नाही? याचं कारण असं आहे की हॅव हॅज हॅड या तीनही वाक्यामध्ये मुख्य क्रियापद म्हणून आलेलं आहे. जेव्हा हॅव हॅज हॅड हे मुख्य क्रियापद म्हणून येतं तेव्हा त्या वाक्यामध्ये आपल्याला सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद म्हणून डू डज डिडचा वापर करावा लागतो. म्हणून सोनाली हॅज अ कॉम्प्युटर नंतर आपल्याला डझंट सी घ्यावं लागेल. I have a car. In this sentence, I have a car. Have is also present as the main verb. So, I need to use don't. Don't I? Again, the boys have pads. The boys have pads. That is because of presence of has, we also need don't they. Suppose the sentence is there, Sheetal had an umbrella. Is the sentence. You can see the main verb in the sentence is had. So you don't hurry to use hadn't. See, but you must use here didn't. See. Try to understand. Whenever have, has, had is present without past participle, when they didn't accompany with third form of the main verb, then they are performing the role of independency, and their role of independency is the main verb because they are 100% capable to perform the role of the main verb. And if have as had is used as the main verb, then you can't use them as an auxiliary verb. Instead, you need to use don't, doesn't, and didn't. If there is a has as the main verb, use doesn't. If there is a have as a main verb, use don't. If there is a had as a main verb, use didn't. In this way, one can these example in which the type of the sentence are in which have has had acting as the role of main verb. Sometimes the words are present there little, few or hardly. These words are looking or seem to be positive, but these words are negative. So already we have seen question tag of affirmative becomes negative. Question tag of negative becomes affirmative. Mohan hardly takes tea. You will write this sentence as it is, there's no doubt. Then you can observe there is no presence of the main verb. There is no presence of auxiliary verb. You will contact with main verb. Takes is there. You will make a hurry of doesn't. But you are wrong. Hardly, though seems to be positive, but actually it's a negative word. So the answer of the sentence would be does he. Though the sentence seemed to be positive, but the question tag is still positive. Because though the sentence seemed to be positive, the sentence viewed to be positive, but actually this is a negative sentence. And being negative, Mohan hardly takes tea. The answer of question tag, that is does he. I have little time to play. You have to use I time to play. That is do I. You did not to use haven't. You did not to use here haven't. You can't use don't because there is a presence of little. Then she had a few minutes. Here is the sentence seems to be positive, affirmative, but question tag of the sentence would be affirmative because few is a word which is negative word. That's why the question tag of the sentence would be affirmative. She had a few minutes. The answer of the sentence would be did she, not didn't she. So these three sentences regarding to the virtual type. Virtually there is no negation in the sentence because negation is in a hidden position. या खालच्या तीन वाक्यांमध्ये नकार लपलेला आहे. ज्या वाक्यामध्ये नकार लपलेला असतो त्या वाक्यांना नकारार्थी पकडून त्यांचा क्वेश्चन टॅग होकारार्थी करावा लागतो. म्हणून तुम्हाला आश्चर्य वाटेल होकारार्थी वाक्याचा क्वेश्चन टॅग होकारार्थी कसा. होकारार्थी नाही. मोहन हार्डली टेक्स टी हे वाक्य होकारार्थी दिसत असलं तरी नाही आहे. हे नकारार्थीच आहे कारण त्यामध्ये हार्डली हा नकारार्थी शब्द आहे आणि त्याचा क्वेश्चन टॅग हा होकारार्थी होईल. Because we have studied question tag of negative becomes affirmative and question tag of affirmative becomes negative. Second sentence is the same. Little is a word and few is a word. There are certain kind of the words in the sentence which seems to be positive, but in actual fact they are negative. So be cautious from such kind of the sentences where you may prove wrong. In this way we have seen how to add question tag. Let's wait for the next video. If you like my video, don't forget to give comment so that I can perform. Also subscribe my channel and also play the bell so that I can give you maximum kind of the notification which are prescribed by my video. Thank you so much.